everybody, it's Jules from Simple Body. And today I want to talk about the word fragrance and fragrance specifically in cosmetics. And I want to talk about the dangers that could be lurking in your cosmetics. And I have so much to say on the topic. I had to make notes today so I don't forget to tell you all the important things that I know about fragrance. Fragrance is kind of a broad term used in the industry to define scent. It's often referred to as parfum. So if you turn over your cosmetics and you see the word fragrance or parfum, that means it has some sort of synthetic fragrance in the product or synthetic scent. Now, there are many different types of fragrance. They could be fragrance with phthalates. They could be fragrance that are nature identical, but you don't know. There is nothing in the regulations saying that they have to define what type of fragrance it is that they use in their products. So unless you specifically see essential oils or the inky name for an essential oil, which is the scientific name for an essential oil, they are using something synthetic. Now, are all synthetics bad? No, I'm not saying that. But the sheer fact that you don't know if it's something that has phthalates in it or other things which extend the scent of their fragrance, which are the harmful part about fragrances, it's something you simply just will never know. So one of the things that we do here is we use essential oils. Now, essential oils can also be harmful in cosmetics if you are not following IFRA standards, which is the European guide for the amount of essential oils that you can use in a product. And that is radically different from if you're formulating an eye product or a lip product versus a skincare product. The standards are different for every part of the body. So you have to be able to trust the company that you're buying from or your formulator that they are following these IFRA guidelines for proper use and proper percentage of essential oils in a formula. But let's switch back to fragrance for a second. I want to talk about some of the harmful effects of fragrance. A lot of times manufacturers are going to try to use some sort of scent extender in your fragrance. So it makes the little particles from that fragrance stay in the air. Meanwhile, you're breathing in these little particles. They will ultimately settle in your lungs, in your organs. They can cause organ toxicity. They can cause harm to your lungs. There are just a lot of harmful effects that fragrance can have on the body. So, if it were me and I'm trying to be healthy, I would say just avoid anything that has fragrance or parfum in it. And I would say that until, our government decides to start regulating fragrances, it's probably just safer to stay away from them altogether. Because I think the question that you have to start asking yourself is the scent worth your health? Because that's the bottom line. If you're using a product with fragrance, you may be sacrificing your long-term health. And is that something you're willing to do? Think about it. If you have questions, please leave comments below. I'll try to get back to all of the questions that we have. If you liked this video and you want more educational content, please give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here real soon.